Everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we are in the community of Olympia Falls, which is located in Missouri City. And actually behind me, or behind you, there is the Fort Bend Toll, so it's easy access to the Houston Metroplex area. Now this home behind me, it is the 2372 model, which is the same amount of square footage that this home has to offer. Now it is a 2-story, 3-bedroom, and 2.5 bath home. Now this home does have a lot of the bells and whistles that people are looking for. It has a nice size great room and also a game room upstairs. And guess what? This home is priced at the $369,000 mark. So if you want to see this home, stick around and we're going to tour this beautiful home and let me know what you think. By the way, if you don't know who I am, my name is Linda Blue, your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. And if you have not done so already, please do me a favor and go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of weekly videos. Let's go ahead and get this tour started. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed this tour of this home in Olympia Falls built by KB Home. Now, if you have a question regarding this model or the builder or any other real estate related questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. And if you have not done so already, do me a big favor and hit that subscribe, like, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. All right, you all have a wonderful and blessed day.